Let's quickly disable pop-up blockers on your Mac for Safari, Chrome, and Firefox. Open Safari, then choose Safari and select Settings from the menu bar. In Settings, click Websites and then choose Pop-up Windows in the sidebar. For a specific site, set the drop-down to Allow, or disable the Global Block and Notify option. Next, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right, then choose Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and open Pop-ups and Redirects. To allow pop-ups in Chrome, toggle the setting to Allowed or add exceptions for specific sites. Now open Firefox and choose Firefox, then Settings from the top menu. Select Privacy and Security, then scroll down to Permissions and find Block Pop-up Windows. Click Exceptions, add the site URL, then click Allow and save to whitelist that site. Quick recap: Safari via Settings, Chrome via Site Settings, and Firefox via Permissions. Tip: if pop-ups persist, clear site data or restart the browser. Save this guide if it helped.